Good afternoon. While I'm waiting for the test results on my experiment project and next video, I thought to answer one of the most asked questions on my YouTube channel, and that is why I don't use paraffin lamps as a light source in my workshop. I will try to answer it briefly. I will not go in details, just to explain my main concerns about paraffin lamps. The main reason is because paraffin, which is a main component of any paraffin lamp, right, is banned here in Norway. So I'm not able to purchase that one anymore. And of course there is many alternatives out there, and I tested 3 and they perform very poorly. I even used these lamps in a few of my videos. And basically when I light them up, they just burn a few seconds. Also there is an issue. You can adjust the cloth that goes up and soaks fuel from underneath. With these alternatives, is basically goes so quickly that I'm in just a matter of minutes the whole piece is gone. The second reason why I don't use them, I am in quite a sealed room. I have a proper ventilation. I did redesign 3 times and finally I'm happy with it. But still, the emission of gases from paraffin lamps are really huge. And just to think on a long run, I would not like to breathe that air and cause some damage to my health. And the third reason is they have a glass tank underneath, and I'm in workshop. If unfortunately I drop one on the floor while still heated, it can happen. A fire or anything. I don't want to jeopardize this building. So having candles, actually it fulfills many requirements that I wanted from this kind of light source. Also I have to worry all the time about refilling them and keeping X amount of fuel here in the workshop, and that just to me sounds like accident to happen. So the candles are a much simpler and better way to manage light. As a conclusion, I am concerned about safety, health and inaccessibility of paraffin oil. I hope this clarifies why I don't use paraffin lamps in my workshop. Before I finish this video, I just want to let you know that I'm extremely grateful for having you here as a subscriber. I also appreciate very much all your comments for the past 2.5 years. And a big thank you to all my channel members and to those who purchased FFD merchandise. That helps a lot to fund some of the tools and future projects. So thank you. And of course, if you have any other questions that I could address in a brief video as this one, that would be great. Just write them below and I will try to make a short video in between main videos. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Cheers!